Kitchen with Miss Renee. Today I'm going to show you how to make flour tortillas, homemade tortillas, and it's really not a big deal. What a wonderful way to have Taco Tuesday every day is by simply making this fun method. All right, so you have your dough ball here that you just took out of your mixer and put it onto a lightly floured surface. And I chose a rolling pin that doesn't roll. I want to be able to control it on my own. To each his own though. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the dough. Right now on the stove I have a little mini iron skillet and I have it getting warm, so when I'm ready for these tortillas to hit the pan, I want it nice and hot and I want them fresh. I also, before I started the dough, I went ahead and chopped up a lot of vegetables, added bacon slices, and put it in the oven. And right now it's cooking, baking, and the whole house smells like bacon, which is awesome. So right after the tortillas are done, we're gonna have bacon veggie tacos. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the dough and move some to the side. Now I have a little bit more manageable, time-saving tortillas. Also, you can wrap your extra dough in plastic wrap and use it as fresh dough for fresh tortillas for breakfast tacos or your lunch tacos. All right, so look at this nice dough. It's going to be a really thick tortilla, so I'm going to put it back on the board and continue to roll it out. My pan is nice and hot. I'm going to shape my tortilla with my roller cutter. And I'm going to cook it. So as I'm rolling the pin, I'm also kind of pulling on one end to not let the dough roll up, because I want to get this nice and thin. Okay, so this is my last tortilla. See how nice and puffy it gets? Whoa, hot. So, to each his own on the thickness of your tortilla and the shape. Have fun with it. I like to flip it over when I put it in the pan, and also when you make it really thin, that's when you're gonna get that nice air and that fluff. Some of the tortillas I cut in perfect circles, I shaped in circles. Some of them I just rolled out and I didn't really care how it was shaped. It doesn't change the flavor. But shapes are fun. You can have a, what state does this look like? Or Halloween or Christmas tortilla shapes. Like I shared earlier, I went ahead and prepped some chopped vegetables and some slices of bacon and put them in the oven. And at the very end, I added some farm fresh eggs. And now I'm just gonna add some salt, pepper, paprika, parsley to those eggs. And I've already seasoned the vegetables and the bacon. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this inside. Now let's make some tacos. So you get your tortilla, some fresh, sharp cheddar cheese, and your egg, however you like your egg cooked. This one is going to have a little bit of yellow soft in the middle. Get your bacon slice, potatoes and vegetables. A little cooked jalapeno. And your taco sauce. And here you have your nice, juicy, meaty, vegetable-y, not pretty, doesn't matter, Taco Tuesday. And the verdict.
Oh, this looks wonderful, wife. Let me see. Mmm.